Embark on a budget-friendly adventure with our guide to the top 10 cheapest countries to visit in 2024. From the vibrant markets of Vietnam to the historic wonders of Egypt, these destinations offer incredible experiences without breaking the bank. Explore the rich culture and stunning landscapes of Nepal, or immerse yourself in the colorful streets of India. Whether you're craving beachside bliss in Thailand or cityscape charm in Portugal, these affordable destinations promise unforgettable memories without the hefty price tag. Join us as we uncover the most budget-friendly countries for your next unforgettable adventure. Today we will talk about top 10 cheapest countries to visit in 2024. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. Traveling doesn't always have to break the bank. There are numerous destinations around the world where you can enjoy a fantastic vacation without draining your savings. From vibrant cities to breathtaking landscapes, these countries offer rich cultural experiences, stunning scenery, and memorable adventures at an affordable price. In this guide, we'll explore the top 10 cheapest countries to visit in 2024, highlighting their affordability, attractions, and reasons why they should be on your travel bucket list. 1. Vietnam. Vietnam is a Southeast Asian gem that offers incredible value for travelers. With its bustling cities, picturesque landscapes, and rich history, Vietnam has something for everyone. Explore the chaotic streets of Hanoi or the vibrant markets of Ho Chi Minh City. Take a cruise along the stunning limestone cliffs of Ha Long Bay or trek through the terraced rice fields of Sapa. With affordable accommodation, delicious street food, and inexpensive transportation options, Vietnam is a budget traveler's paradise. 2. Nepal. Nepal is a haven for adventure seekers and nature lovers alike. Home to the majestic Himalayas, ancient temples, and diverse culture, Nepal offers a wealth of experiences at an affordable price. Trek to Everest Base Camp, go whitewater rafting on the Trishuli River, or explore the medieval city of Bhaktapur. Accommodation and food are inexpensive, and with many budget-friendly tour operators, you can explore Nepal's natural beauty without breaking the bank. 3. India. India is a country of contrasts, where ancient traditions coexist with modern innovation. From the bustling streets of Delhi to the serene backwaters of Kerala, India offers a diverse range of experiences at an affordable price. Visit iconic landmarks such as the Taj Mahal and Jaipur's Amber Fort, or explore the tranquil beaches of Goa and the lush tea plantations of Darjeeling. With budget accommodation, cheap street food, and an extensive railway network, India is a budget traveler's dream destination. 4. Indonesia. Indonesia is an archipelago of over 17,000 islands, each offering its own unique charm and beauty. From the pristine beaches of Bali to the lush jungles of Sumatra, Indonesia is a paradise for budget travelers. Explore ancient temples, snorkel in crystal-clear waters, or hike to the top of active volcanoes. With affordable homestays, delicious street food, and cheap transportation options, Indonesia offers incredible value for money. 5. Cambodia. Cambodia is a country rich in history, culture, and natural beauty. Explore the awe-inspiring temples of Angkor Wat, cruise along the Tonle Sap Lake, or relax on the idyllic beaches of Sihanoukville. With affordable accommodation, cheap street food, and inexpensive transportation options, Cambodia is one of the cheapest countries to visit in Southeast Asia. Don't miss the opportunity to experience the warmth and hospitality of the Cambodian people. 6. Bolivia. Bolivia is a land of stunning landscapes, from the otherworldly salt flats of Uyuni to the lush Amazon rainforest. Explore the colonial architecture of Sucre, trek through the Andes Mountains, or take a boat trip on Lake Titicaca. With budget-friendly accommodation, cheap local cuisine, and affordable tours, Bolivia offers incredible value for travelers looking to explore South America on a budget. 7. Georgia. Georgia is a hidden gem nestled between Europe and Asia, offering a unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. Explore the charming streets of Tbilisi, hike in the Caucasus Mountains, or relax in the vineyards of Kakheti. With affordable guest houses, delicious cuisine, and inexpensive transportation options, Georgia is an affordable destination that offers a warm welcome to budget travelers. 8. Ukraine. Ukraine is a country rich in history, with a wealth of cultural attractions waiting to be explored. Visit the stunning cathedrals of Kiev, stroll through the charming streets of Lviv, or relax on the beaches of Odessa. With affordable accommodation, cheap local cuisine, and inexpensive transportation options, Ukraine offers excellent value for travelers looking to experience Eastern Europe on a budget. 9. Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is a tropical paradise known for its stunning beaches, ancient ruins, and lush rainforests. Explore the historic city of Gal, go on a safari in Yala National Park, or hike to the top of Adams Peak. With affordable guest houses, delicious street food, and cheap transportation options, Sri Lanka offers incredible value for travelers looking for an affordable tropical getaway. 10. Morocco. Morocco is a vibrant destination that offers a unique blend of culture, history, and natural beauty. Explore the bustling souks of Marrakech, trek through the Atlas Mountains, or relax on the beaches of Essaouira. With affordable rides, delicious street food, and inexpensive transportation options, Morocco offers excellent value for travelers looking to experience the magic of North Africa without breaking the bank. Traveling on a budget doesn't mean sacrificing quality or missing out on incredible experiences. These top 10 cheapest countries to visit in 2024 offer a wealth of attractions, cultural experiences, and natural beauty at an affordable price. From vibrant cities and ancient temples to pristine beaches and lush jungles, these destinations provide budget travelers with unforgettable experiences and memories that will last a lifetime. So pack your bags, book your tickets, and get ready to explore these incredible destinations without breaking the bank. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.